turn into the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. I'm getting ahead of myself here. This is the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. This is the parking area. I'll show you the rules, just so you know the rules. There is no trailers allowed and no RVs allowed. So you can come down here and fish all you want. You can't camp here. No trailers or RVs or oversized vehicles. We're at mile marker 23 in the Florida Keys. There's plenty of parking here. It's reasonably good fishing. You gotta catch the tide right. You see, we got an iguana crossing the road up there. Take a nice little leisurely tour here. Then I gotta get a drink of water. I'll show you the northbound sign. Right now I'm headed towards Key West. This is the northbound sign up here. You might have noticed before I did some drone flying here. Summerlin Key is what that sign says. And Summerlin Key is this way. The way I'm not going. Okay. See how herky-jerky my video is. Because I just went over some bumps. Okay. I'm continuing on. Nobody's fishing today, and it's a wonderful day. The tide even looks right. We're gonna film another fishing bridge a few miles down the road. This one's at mile marker 23, and it's called Kemp Channel, like Kemp seaweed. Right here is the channel, and if there was any boats coming, I'd film them for you. This is the view you get. Right over there where that tall flagpole that you probably can't see is a place called Venture Out. You can rent a place in there daily, weekly, monthly. At mile marker 23, it's called Venture Out. And you go there, waterfrontkeys.com. I'll show you you don't want to park over here, although people do. It's kind of hard to get in here and out of here quickly with all the Keys traffic. There is says Kemp Channel right there. Like I said, you can park over here, but you gotta get off the road and get in some gravel. Anyhow, that concludes my tour of the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. I'll be on later with the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge. Okay, one last trip across the fishing bridge. This is the Bow Channel Bridge. I'm sorry, I keep getting that backwards. Kemp Channel, K-E-M-P, Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. I was going off-road. We're at mile marker 23, Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. Oh, here comes the pontooner, popping a wheelie. Wow. There he goes. Missed him by a couple seconds. Yep, got a bird. This is the channel here. Missed that guy by a little bit. What is that? Turkey buzzard? Looks like a hawk, kinda. Cruise America. Okay. Off in the distance to the right is Summerland Key. We're coming up on mile marker 24. But this is definitely the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. It has parking on the west side or south side, whatever you want to call it. But over here it's got a nice parking lot. On the Summerland Key side, there's a nice parking area. On the Cudjoe Key side, it's kind of a congested gravel parking area. The only thing you don't want to do here, don't bring an RV or an oversized vehicle. Because they're not allowed. No trailers neither. Do not bring a trailer. And don't camp here. No overnighting, unless you're fishing all night, I guess. Okay, that's it for the Kemp Channel Bridge. We're back on Summerland Key.